Ever wondered what BNB Vault is and how you can use it to maximize your BNB earnings? In this guide, we'll explain what BNB Vault is, how it works, and how you can use it to earn passive income with your BNB tokens on Binance. BNB Vault is a feature offered by Binance that allows users to earn rewards on their BNB Binance Coin by staking it into various DeFi decentralized finance pools and yield farms. Essentially, BNB Vault is a convenient way to passively grow your BNB holdings without having to manage complex staking or farming activities manually. The platform uses a mix of staking, liquidity farming, and other yield-generating strategies to offer users the best possible returns. To use BNB Vault, the first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the Earn section by clicking on Finance in the top menu. From there, select BNB Vault. This will take you to the BNB Vault page, where you can see the different available yield farming options. Once on the BNB Vault page, you'll be shown different pools where you can stake your BNB. BNB Vault combines the rewards from multiple sources, including Binance Earn, Auto Invest, and DeFi staking, to provide users with a diversified and high-yield option for growing their holdings. Select the amount of BNB you want to deposit into the vault. Depending on the option you choose, you'll earn rewards in BNB or other supported tokens. After staking your BNB, the platform will automatically handle the process for you. You don't need to worry about compounding rewards, as BNB Vault automatically reinvests your rewards to increase your overall earnings. It's a fully managed process, so you can sit back and watch your BNB accumulate over time. The rewards you earn from BNB Vault are typically paid out in BNB, and you can choose to withdraw your funds at any time. However, keep in mind that some of the vaults might have lockup periods or minimum staking durations, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before you invest. In conclusion, BNB Vault on Binance is an excellent tool for anyone looking to earn passive income on their BNB holdings. By staking your BNB into the vault, you can earn rewards through a diversified mix of DeFi opportunities without having to actively manage your investments. It's an easy and efficient way to grow your BNB while benefiting from Binance's platform and rewards ecosystem.